work every day to maintain stability and security across the globe. Microsoft empowers you to do more, leveraging the potential of technology to enable digital transformation so you can advance your mission. Modernize the workplace for defense forces and the defense industrial base, giving your personnel everything they need to innovate in a rapidly changing environment, persevere and stay resilient no matter what situations they face, access the right information at the right time securely across operational environments, create safer, connected, sustainable and scalable installations with cloud services, enjoy enhanced services and experiences for themselves and their families, use real-time data insights and predictive analytics to make everyone's job easier, and create efficiencies in the management of buildings, ranges, and other facilities with powerful IoT and digital capabilities. A modern workplace for a modern military. Empowering militaries, improving operations, protecting national security. Microsoft.